stew. Ingredients you need: 1 kg chicken, 2 dessertspoon coriander powder, 1 dessertspoon peppercorns lightly crushed, 1 cup onion sliced long and thin, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon ginger sliced long and thin, 5 garlic pods, a few sprigs of curry leaves, 4 to 5 green chillies slit, 1 tomato diced, 3 pods cardamom, quarter teaspoon cloves, 1 1-inch piece cinnamon, quarter cup oil, 1 cup thick coconut milk from 1 coconut, 2 cups thin coconut milk. Dry grind coriander powder, fennel seeds, cinnamon and turmeric powder together to a fine powder. In a pan, pour oil. Drop in the peppercorns once the oil is hot. Add the sliced onion. Follow it up with ginger, garlic and green chillies. Throw in some curry leaves. Add cloves and cardamom and saute well until the onions are soft. Add the ground masala to the pan. Put in the chicken pieces and mix well. Sprinkle enough salt. Add a spoonful of vinegar if needed. Close with a lid and let it cook. Pour in the thin coconut milk over the half-cooked meat and close with the lid. In a while, it will start boiling. Add the tomato to it. Add the thick coconut milk and take off the flame before it boils over. Creamy chicken stew is ready to be relished.